Hey, what's up, you guys? You made it back to part 5. Now, if you saw in part 4, we realized that we have some company out here. We have a visitor out here, you guys. And this is the type of company I don't care for. I don't believe, I know that there's a water moccasin somewhere in the water over there. And something is biting me or making me itch. And I'm trying to keep an eye out for him while working at the same time. So we got to pick up where we left off in part 4, and we want to try and get some of this dirt out of the way so that I can continue to cut this piece of wood, because it's got some weight to it. I can't just move it around like I normally can do the other stuff. And I got to be careful too, because like I said, oh man, this is where the water's flowing. So this right here could collapse. And we can drop in some water right there. I don't know how deep it is, so I got to be careful. But man, I don't know if that was a mosquito or something. I got all kind of stuff on me from weed eating. But anyway, let's get back to it, you guys. Let us get back to it. I guess I might as well go ahead and throw some of this wood out of the way. Yeah, that's got some nice weight to it. I'm glad I cut them up in smaller pieces. I might have to cut this one again. I remember I was cutting on that one. I cut a V in that one. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut that one again. And as far as this is concerned, there's a grapevine there. Yeah, man, this is perfect. This is perfect territory for snakes, because it's open underneath here. But whoa, see this? It's already. Oh man. It's already flicking, not flicking stuff, it's already dropping lower where the water's flowing at. I need my potato rake to pull a lot of this trash away. That's what I need. Y'all already know I made one trip back to the house already. I'm not going again. Oh no, 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 no. Wait a minute. These gloves are nasty, you guys. Where my other gloves at? Over here. All right, snake. Don't be creeping out and I don't see you. Come back to that. Woo! Yep. Let me set the saw down. Man, something bit me good. I don't know if that was a mosquito or not. Man. I see the little bite mark. I hope it ain't nothing crawling up in my shirt. This piece I need to get rolled over because it's trying to go in the dirt on the bottom side of it. Wait a minute. Switch gloves. And I know all I gotta do is wash the gloves. But the more you wash them, they'll fall apart. I'm not saying they're cheap gloves, but they will. So I like to, when I'm done, take the water hose, blast them off, and leave them in the sun. Put them in the dashboard of the car, let them dry out. Oh, that was nice. This little wood here is heavy. Got some weight to it, but that's all right. We'll get it. We'll get it. What in the devil is that? What it look like a... Oh, like a big old lump of dung. Man, I ain't too sure. You know what? Give me a sec, you guys. Give me a sec. All right, you guys. I had to make sure there wasn't nothing in my shirt continually biting me. Because whatever it is that bit me, it's got me welted up under the arm a little bit there. And every time I brush up against it, I'm going to feel like it's biting again. But anyway, we going on. That might be heavy. That might be heavy. Okay. Ugh. Yeah, this wood is heavier. Y'all see me cut right through that knot. I'm like, he cutting through the knot. Yeah, I did. Somebody been drinking milk out here? Oh boy. I can't choke that one. Gotta walk with that one. And that's gonna have to be pushed further up. Woo, let me straighten up my back for a second there. Man. Ugh. Don't fall back in here. Oh no! I thought I was gonna hit you guys. And I just pricked my finger. Man, this is some good wood here. This is some good firewood here, whatever it is. Wow. Did that scare you? If it would have hit it, I would have been mad. I'm dangerous, ain't I? I know. I know. A lot of this stuff, man, I need the potato rake for, or the pickaxe, something to get down in there. I can't even tell what that is. I think that might be a piece of rotten wood, maybe. The way we got it now, if a big rain came, it'll flush it. It will flush a lot of it out. I had to be careful because that thing, it dropped on me there. Ooh. Yep. Okay, I see something over here. Oh, that's that piece we cut. It goes all the way across. Ooh, man, today I've gotten flicked the most. Got flicked with mud. Oh, glass bottle. That looks like a fire ant right there. I'm doing the best I can with this little pile right here, you guys. Not having something to rake it up with. Come on. Let me get my back right and my position right for proper moving. There we go, you guys. We got it up out of there now. I guess now it's time to cut it. happened there? What happened there, you guys? I did bring the WD-40. Come on. Since I'm running it in a little slight wet condition, I might put some WD-40 on it. Some more. Let me check the oil. The oil should be good because we ain't cut that much today. Shouldn't have run out already. Now we got plenty of bar lube. Let me get the WD-40, you guys. All right, I got a little can. A travel size can. When I go to work one day this coming week, I'm going to take my saw with me and I'm gonna take that cover off and clean out around there. I know that's important. You guys say that's important to do, so I'm gonna do that. I don't know why it feels so tight. Like, I don't know, is it getting off track or what? Let me see. Now it looks like my chain is loose. Oh, man. Yeah. All right, I think we're good to go now. Now, when I first started cutting again, that piece was hollow, but wow, did you see how it went through it? It went through it like butter. This water, you guys see that water? It's starting to get backed up. I think I may have, I may have disturbed its natural course of how it was flowing. I don't want it to do that. I'm surprised that there's even water flowing. Of course, the last time it rained, we got quite a bit. But I'm surprised there's water flowing in this joker. All right, you guys, so here's our pile here where I've been throwing wood at you. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and call it since it's starting to get dark. I don't want it to be hard for us, oops, for us to see. And we'll have to pick up when we got some more daylight. Show you the water flowing here. At least we can actually see the channel of water where it's flowing now. It's a lot of trash in it though. Like I said, I need to get the potato rake out here so I can pull some of this trash out of the way. I believe that right there probably would drop down pretty deep if I kept stepping on it, but I don't want to fall through. I don't want to fall through. We getting it flowing though. I had to put my glove there because I had to scratch my wrist. Whatever, it might be an ant that bit me because my wrist, and I got bit on my wrist too. But hey, it definitely don't look the same as it did when we first came out here. That's for sure. Yeah, there's a nice difference out here, you guys. A nice difference. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna pack up, get ready and get out of here, you guys. There's more work to do, of course. And truth be told, that's not really in the way, but I might be creating more work for myself to get that out of the way, even though that's something that we need to get out of the way. That's something that I, in the beginning, intentionally wanted to get out of the way. And now we know we got a snake over here somewhere. It's better to work in more daylight where we can see, you guys. And I know eventually this water will clear this stuff out of here where it can flow more better. I don't want to dam it up when it was already flowing at a decent rate with the trash that we moved. That's better. That is better. Well, anyway, so this has been part 5. Oh yeah, get it. Flow. Flow. There you go. Flow. Flow. It'll clear that stuff out of there the more that comes through here. Especially if it starts getting backed up there. I guess it was already backed up because you see how much water's flowing. If it gets backed up high enough back there, that pressure will eventually create its own route and it'll get out of there as best as it sees fit. I'm gonna keep on till I fall through. Then y'all gonna have something to laugh at. Oh man. But y'all know we gotta have that flow, man. We gotta have that flow. I think before it was running somewhere over there. But anyway, okay. So yeah, this has been part 5, you guys. I guess we'll have to get part 6 at another time. But I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching. Jesus Christ is Lord, to the glory of God the Father. You guys stay blessed. You guys keep encouraged. And as always, we'll see you